Friends and colleagues, as we gather here today, I come before you not just as a candidate, but as a champion for positive change. Our association, our union, should be a place of warmth and welcome, where every member feels embraced and empowered. Unfortunately, that's not always the case. There's some among us who act as gatekeepers, unknowingly building walls that block some members from fully participating and enjoying the benefits of our association. These barriers, though invisible, are very real, and they can leave some of our friends feeling left out and unheard. But fear not, friends. As your potential president, I am committed to breaking down these barriers and practices and fostering a culture of openness, transparency, and support. Together, we can ensure that every member feels valued and included with equal access to information and opportunities. So let's work together to dismantle these barriers and build a stronger, more inclusive association. When I'm elected president, I promise to lead with compassion, empathy, and integrity. Let's create a space where every member feels welcome, valued, and empowered to make a difference. Thank you for your support, and let's make a positive change happen together. Remember, vote position 2 on the ballot for Marisol Charernsook, CEA President.